Sa boarding. Maraming salamat po.
My God, 3 o'clock pala. 5:30 pa yung flight.
Departing passengers on AirAsia Flight D2763 bound for Cebu. Once again, AirAsia Flight D2763 bound for Cebu. Please be advised that your new and final gate assignment is at gate number 16. Once again, gate number 16. For all departing passengers on AirAsia Flight D2763 bound for Cebu, to kindly proceed to gate number 16 and await for your next flight boarding announcement. Thank you.
Mamaya pa yung flight. Ay, ang boarding. 5 o'clock pa. Pumunta ko dito na maaga. Kasi I thought mahirap makahanap ng taxi from QC. Dali lang pala kasi Grab.
The information of all departing passengers on AirAsia Flight D22 bound for Tacloban. Once again, AirAsia Flight D22 bound for Tacloban. Please be advised that your new and final gate assignment is at gate number 18. Once again, gate number 18. To all departing passengers